Imagine a car that uses both a traditional engine and an electric motor working together, producing so much power that even the world's fastest supercars would feel slow by comparison. That's exactly what Koenigsegg has accomplished with its new dark matter motor. When the company's CEO revealed it, the announcement sent shockwaves throughout the automotive world. This isn't just another motor. It's a hybrid beast, blending combustion and electric power to deliver rocket-like acceleration. Even the name sounds mysterious. Dark matter, the unseen force that moves everything around us. Koenigsegg revealed that this motor weighs just 39 kilograms. Despite its incredibly light weight, it produces a staggering 800 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque. Numbers that are hard to achieve even with a large V8 engine. And yet, all that power comes from a compact electric motor. When combined with Koenigsegg's hybrid system, the result is a car capable of reaching astonishing speeds in mere seconds. This raises an important question. What makes this motor so threatening to companies like Tesla, BYD, and Ferrari? Could dark matter truly redefine the future of electric and hybrid vehicles? Stay with us until the end of this video to find out. And before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss exciting updates from the world of high-performance cars. Before diving deeper into Koenigsegg's groundbreaking new engine, it's important to understand the company's story. Its origins explain why this brand continues to surprise the world. Koenigsegg isn't just another car manufacturer. It's a dream that started in a small garage and grew into one of the most advanced supercar brands on the planet. The story begins with a young Swedish boy named Christian von Koenigsegg, who decided early in life that he would build the fastest and most perfect car in the world. While other kids were playing with toys, Christian was taking cars apart, trying to understand what made them so fast. In 1994, at just 22 years old, he founded Koenigsegg Automotive AB. He didn't have a massive budget or a large team, just a bold dream and the determination to make it real. The early years were filled with challenges. Many people said it was impossible, arguing that supercars could only be built by multi-billion-dollar companies. But Christian refused to accept that logic. He believed that if others could do it, so could he. Working out of his garage, he designed and built his first car, the Koenigsegg CC. That car delivered such astonishing performance that people quickly realized this wasn't a joke. Something big was coming. This was followed by the CC8S and the CCR, vehicles that would go on to change automotive history. In 2005, the Koenigsegg CCR claimed the title of the world's fastest production car, directly challenging giants like the Bugatti Veyron. From that moment on, the world's attention turned to this small Swedish manufacturer. But Christian's ambition went far beyond speed alone. His goal was to make the impossible possible, introducing technologies that other companies couldn't even imagine. This mindset led to the development of the carbon fiber monocoque chassis, making Koenigsegg cars both incredibly lightweight and exceptionally strong. Then came the revolutionary free valve technology, which removed the traditional camshaft entirely. Each valve now opens and closes electronically and independently, resulting in increased power, better fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. While much of the automotive world rushed toward full electrification, Koenigsegg proved that even the internal combustion engine could still be reinvented. Another extraordinary thing about Christian von Koenigsegg is that he prefers to design and build almost everything in-house. From the engine and gearbox to the overall car design, nearly every component is developed within Koenigsegg's own facilities. This hands-on approach is why every Koenigsegg car feels like a piece of handcrafted engineering perfection. Models such as the Regera, Agera RS, and Jesko prove that this company isn't just focused on speed, it's actively shaping the future of automotive technology. As the world began shifting toward hybrid and electric vehicles, most manufacturers rushed to go fully electric. Koenigsegg, once again, chose a different direction. The company boldly stated that the future isn't purely electric, but intelligently hybrid. This philosophy led to the creation of the Gemera, a four-seat hypercar where a combustion engine and electric motors work together in perfect harmony. Today, when people hear the name Koenigsegg, they don't think only of extreme speed, they think of innovation. The latest and most powerful example of this mindset is the dark matter motor. When paired with an engine, it forms one of the most powerful hybrid systems ever created. This is the story of Koenigsegg, a company that proves time and again that when passion, intelligence, and courage come together, the word impossible becomes meaningless. And now we arrive at the birth of the dark matter motor and the fascinating story behind its name. Let's take a closer look at the motor that has stunned the automotive world. Even its name feels mysterious. Dark matter sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but the meaning runs much deeper. In science, dark matter refers to an invisible force that fills the universe. Although it can't be seen, scientists believe it makes up around 85% of the universe and influences everything around it. Koenigsegg chose this name because the motor itself appears small and simple, yet it hides immense power, enough to shake the entire automotive industry. Christian von Koenigsegg explained that his goal was to create an electric motor that was not only incredibly powerful, but also compact, lightweight, and highly efficient. He wanted a motor capable of delivering supercar-level performance with zero delay. That vision is exactly how the dark matter motor was born, and calling it a beast wouldn't be an exaggeration. The motor is roughly the size of a small bag, yet its performance rivals even the largest engines. Now let's look at the specifications that leave everyone stunned. The dark matter motor weighs just 39 kilograms, about the weight of a small child. Despite this, it produces an astonishing 800 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque. To put that into perspective, many large engines struggle to reach these numbers, yet this tiny motor achieves it on its own. So how does something so light generate so much power? The secret lies in its advanced axial flux, six-phase design. Most electric motors use a radial flux layout where magnets and coils rotate in a circular pattern. In an axial flux design, however, everything is arranged like a flat disc. This allows electricity to flow more directly and efficiently, reducing energy loss and converting power into motion almost instantly. As a result, the motor delivers immediate torque the moment the accelerator is pressed, giving the car explosive acceleration. On top of that, the six-phase winding system ensures incredibly smooth and stable performance. Even if one or two phases were to fail, the remaining phases would continue working, allowing the motor to operate without interruption. This is why the dark matter motor isn't just incredibly powerful. It's also highly reliable. Koenigsegg has equipped it with an advanced liquid cooling system that prevents overheating, even under extreme power loads. Its efficiency is equally impressive, converting nearly every unit of electrical energy into usable power, with almost no energy wasted. That's why the dark matter motor's power delivery feels explosive, almost like a rocket launch. Now picture this, a motor weighing just 39 kilograms, producing 800 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque. This isn't just an electric motor, it's an electrical storm. That's exactly why Koenigsegg uses it in its new hybrid hypercar, the Gemera, where it works alongside a 5.0-liter V8 engine. When the motor and engine operate together, the acceleration is so intense that even a car firmly planted on the road feels like it's lifting off. The dark matter motor proves that the future of performance cars doesn't rely solely on batteries, but on intelligent hybrid systems that deliver more power in less space. The name dark matter isn't just scientific. It's a statement, reminding us that true power is often hidden beneath the surface. The hybrid revolution, where engine meets motor. Now let's talk about the innovation that has stunned the global automotive industry, Koenigsegg's hybrid revolution. It's a fusion of engine and electric motor unlike anything seen before. While many manufacturers focused entirely on electric vehicles, Koenigsegg took a different stance, declaring that the future isn't purely electric, but intelligently hybrid. The strongest expression of this vision is the Koenigsegg Gemera, where the company has blended an internal combustion engine with electric motors to create an entirely new level of performance. In the Gemera, Koenigsegg offers two different powertrain setups. The first features a 2.0-liter three-cylinder engine known as the Tiny Friendly Giant. The name might sound playful, but the performance is anything but. This compact engine alone produces around 600 horsepower. Paired with it is the dark matter motor, capable of delivering 800 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque on its own. Together, this combination produces a total output exceeding 1,400 horsepower. Now, imagine that kind of power in a four-seat family hypercar. Koenigsegg's entire system is built around the harmony between engine and motor. The dark matter motor powers the rear wheels, while the engine drives the front wheels. This setup creates an advanced all-wheel drive hybrid system, delivering power from both ends of the car. The advantage is immediate. Press the accelerator, and the electric motor delivers instant torque, while the engine continuously supports it, ensuring relentless acceleration. On long journeys, the engine charges the battery as you drive, eliminating range anxiety. And in city driving, the car can glide quietly and smoothly using electric power alone. This is the true beauty of hybrid technology. Instant performance combined with long-distance capability. The Gemera also offers another unique advantage. Its engine isn't limited to gasoline. It can run on ethanol, methanol, or E85 biofuel, making it more environmentally friendly. Koenigsegg isn't just redefining speed. It's also taking meaningful steps toward sustainability. When it comes to performance, this hybrid system behaves like a rocket. Koenigsegg claims the Gemera can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.9 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 400 kilometers per hour. This level of performance is possible because the engine and motor perfectly complement each other. The engine delivers consistent, sustained power, while the electric motor provides instant torque. All of this is paired with Koenigsegg's light-speed transmission, a gearbox so fast and seamless that gear changes are nearly imperceptible. The result is smooth power delivery at every speed, with no interruption in performance. With this complete setup, Koenigsegg has proven that it's wrong to think of hybrid technology as being only about fuel savings or environmental benefits. When engineered properly, a hybrid system can become a pure performance monster. And that's exactly what Koenigsegg achieved with the Gemera. The company says this system wasn't created just for hypercars, but as a blueprint for the future of all high-performance vehicles. Now imagine if this technology eventually made its way into everyday cars. Even small hatchbacks could deliver rocket-like acceleration. This is where engineering brilliance, compact design, and advanced cooling systems come together. But an important question arises. How does such a tiny motor, producing a massive 800 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque, avoid overheating? Normally, machines that generate this much power heat up extremely fast. This is where Koenigsegg's true engineering mastery shines. The dark matter motor has been designed not only for extreme performance, but also for durability and temperature control. Its physical size is very small, yet the technology packed inside it is incredibly dense and advanced. The motor uses tightly packed copper coils that conduct electricity with exceptional efficiency, ensuring that almost no energy is wasted. As electrical current flows, heat naturally builds up, but Koenigsegg surrounds these coils with a sophisticated liquid cooling system that regulates temperature continuously. A special coolant circulates through the motor, instantly drawing away excess heat. The result is simple but powerful. No matter how long the motor operates at maximum output, it remains cool. This allows the dark matter motor to deliver sustained high-speed performance without interruption. And thanks to its flat disc-shaped axial flux design, both air and liquid can circulate more freely, making cooling even more effective. Another major advantage of this motor is its compact size. Weighing just 39 kilograms, it takes up very little space inside the vehicle. This gives Koenigsegg engineers more freedom to position other components like the battery, transmission, and aerodynamic elements. The overall result is a lighter car with a perfectly balanced power-to-weight ratio. That's why Koenigsegg cars aren't just fast, they're also stable and exceptionally well-balanced. The dark matter motor is built using lightweight yet extremely strong materials such as aluminum and carbon fiber. These materials increase durability while significantly reducing vibration and noise, creating an incredibly smooth and quiet driving experience. Now imagine a motor this powerful operating with almost no heat, noise, or vibration. It feels like magic, and that's exactly what Koenigsegg calls engineering perfection. Let's look at the real-world results of combining this motor with a high-performance engine. Speed. The dark matter motor was first introduced in the Koenigsegg Gemera, and it immediately redefined what was possible in the automotive world. The Gemera may be a 4-seat hypercar, but its performance is nothing short of explosive. When its 5.0-liter V8 engine works together with the dark matter motor, the car accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.9 seconds. Yes, 1.9 seconds. Some motorcycles can't even achieve that. On top of that, the Gemera's top speed exceeds 400 kilometers per hour, and it performs just as impressively in real-world driving as it does in straight-line runs. The seamless coordination between the engine and motor keeps the car stable through corners and across different road conditions. The engine provides sustained power, while the motor delivers instant torque, eliminating any noticeable lag. Koenigsegg has applied this same motor concept to other models like the Jesko and Regera, and the outcome has always been the same: a new definition of speed. In the Jesko, when the engine's power works together with its advanced transmission, the acceleration is so intense that the driver can physically feel the G-forces. In reality, the dark matter motor hasn't just made Koenigsegg cars faster, it has made them sharper, more responsive, and smarter. Drivers no longer have to wait for power. Press the accelerator, and the car launches instantly. What makes this even more impressive is that despite delivering extreme performance, the motor remains incredibly efficient. It produces more power while consuming less energy. Cars like the Gemera prove that hybrid systems aren't built only to be eco-friendly. They can also be designed purely for performance. Koenigsegg has shown that when science, design, and passion come together, there are no limits. Comparing Koenigsegg with Tesla, BYD, and Rimac, who's leading and who's falling behind? Now let's move to one of the most interesting comparisons. When Koenigsegg's dark matter motor goes up against the world's biggest electric performance players, Tesla, BYD, and Rimac, it becomes clear why the industry took notice. These companies currently dominate the electric and high-performance space, but Koenigsegg's arrival changed the conversation. It became obvious that this isn't just a car manufacturer, it's an engineering powerhouse. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla's electric motors are well known for their efficiency and straightforward design. The tri-motor setup in the Tesla Model S Plaid produces around 1,020 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in roughly 2 seconds. Tesla mainly uses permanent magnet synchronous motor technology, which offers a solid balance between performance and efficiency. However, Koenigsegg's dark matter motor operates on an entirely different level. While a Tesla motor weighs around 90 kilograms, the dark matter motor weighs only 39 kilograms, yet produces 800 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque. In simple terms, Koenigsegg delivers nearly the same power at less than half the weight, a clear engineering advantage. Next, let's look at BYD. BYD is globally recognized for its electric vehicle battery technology, especially the Blade battery, which is considered one of the safest and most durable battery systems available today. Vehicles like the BYD Seal, Atto 3, and Dolphin offer strong range and reliability, but BYD's primary focus is the mass market, affordable electric cars for everyday users. Koenigsegg operates in a completely different space. While BYD prioritizes efficiency and long driving range, Koenigsegg focuses on pushing the absolute limits of performance and innovation. In simple terms, BYD designs cars to travel long distances, while Koenigsegg designs cars to cover ground at breathtaking speed. Now let's talk about Rimac, currently the most serious competitor to both Tesla and Koenigsegg in the electric hypercar world. The Rimac Nevera is considered the fastest electric hypercar on the planet. It uses 4 electric motors to produce a combined output of around 1,914 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.85 seconds. On paper, this performance may appear superior to the dark matter motor. But there's an important difference. Each of Rimac's motors is relatively heavy, and the total system weight runs into several hundred kilograms. In contrast, Koenigsegg's dark matter motor alone delivers 800 horsepower. When paired with a V8 engine in the Gemera, the total output rivals Rimac's performance, but with far less weight and a much more compact layout.